Hey yo, welcome to our crib. What up guys? Welcome back to HellaJam. To my entire HellaJam family that's been constantly asking for a new apartment tour, this one's for you. For the new subscribers, basically Steph and I got knocked up right after we shot our last apartment tour. The card will be up here. The pull-out method doesn't work. Use a condom or another contraception. I felt like it's time that I do an apartment tour before this baby pops out of my cooter. Cool, let's get started. When we found out we were pregnant, I was very anxious, and I can leave that video up here. I was really stressed out because we had to find a new place in a short period of time, and there were all these life changes. And I remember I was meditating. The guide in my meditation said, if you were to die tomorrow, where would you like to be? Instantly, I thought I need to be by the water. If it was my last day, I'd be with my loved ones at the beach near the water. Sure enough, we found this place, and literally right when you walk through the door, you have this beautiful waterfront view of the estuary. Hands down, I manifested that shit, and I'm very proud of it. And let me just tell you guys, if you want something, just believe that you will get it. Put those thoughts into the universe and it will happen. When the guy was showing us this place, I literally walked in. I spun. I said, we'll take it. We'll take it. Steph, can we take it? If I could explain our place in 3 words, vintage, modern, what would you say?
Eclectic.
Eclectic? I would say eclectic, but then also like homey.
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 Just because the moment you walk in, like you just feel relaxed. Like I want people to feel like they can come here and just chill. I don't want people to feel like they have to tiptoe around our apartment, and that's why sometimes it's like, it's a little dirty.
I like dirt.
I like dirt too. We thrifted this sheepskin rug at the flea market in Alameda. I was mid-conversation with somebody and I legitimately just said, I'm so sorry, excuse me. And I sprinted to the other vendor who had this beautiful sheepskin, and I think it was only for like 75 bucks. I definitely think it kind of like ties in the kitchen to the living room. We got this rug from Rugs USA. They constantly have a sale. So if you're ever looking for rugs, Rugs USA and IKEA, my go-to. How amazing is this pillow? How amazing is it? 2 little birds, and I thrifted this. The woman I asked her was like, why is this so expensive? It was like 25 bucks. Secondhand, and she said, do you know how hard it is for somebody to cross-stitch this together? And I looked at it and I was like, I'll take it. You're right, it's beautiful. If you guys haven't seen my thrift haul when I got these chairs and my brother decided to prank me, click on this card. I thrifted this at Savers for $15. And not only 1, but 2. I got 2 for $30. It's in perfect condition. I love the detail of this and the funky color. This little corner, it's so cute. Do you love this corner?
What does he do there?
He literally just hops on here and just looks out. And then sometimes he's like, rrr. I got my green thumb from my dad. He scored this plant, look how gorgeous it is, for free, ladies and gentlemen. He drove all the way to San Francisco and picked it up, delivered it last night, and I could not be more in love with it. It's like so incredibly unique, and it's super healthy. It's just made this corner even better. So this is like a fun little reading nook. It's a perfect area for us to just all hang out when we have guests over. Other than having this place kind of look like a jungle, that's when it feels the most homey. Making sure that there are so many different textures and just a shit ton of plants. I also love having fresh flowers. They make my heart happy. These are records. We've got like old Diana Ross numbers, the Supremes, we've got some disco, we've got some indie folk, we've got some hip hop, some old school hip hop. Sometimes it's nice to just kind of turn off the TV and just listen to music and listen to it old school on the LP players. What type of TV is this, Stefano?
It's a LG OLED 4K Beauty.
It's really nice though. Steph did some sexual favors for this flute. This old Chinese woman in Sedona. Not really, but she did say that he's really handsome and gave him half off on this Native American flute that was made from a maple tree on a Native American reserve by Native Americans. So it doesn't get more authentic, spiritual, or sentimental than this. It's not just like some random people wanting to make a flute and of course take advantage of the Native Americans. Instead, we are supporting the Native Americans by purchasing this flute. Kind of reminds me. I'm not very good at it. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. But yeah, this like sweet woman in Sedona hooked it up with like these beautiful crystals for free and then also gifted that half off.
That was a $200 flute.
It's a $200 flute, yo. Everybody constantly asks me like, how do you get the lights to hit your ceiling? And it's the disco ball. Before we even named our dog Disco, I wanted to originally like create this like little art installation of all these different disco balls, so when the light hit it, it would make our place look like a starry nightclub during the day. But yeah, if you guys want to get like some serious vibes in the ceiling, disco ball does wonders. This is my abalone shell, and right now I'm lighting some sage to really clear out and clarify the energy in our apartment. I like to do that right before I meditate to just kind of like clear out any of my anxiety or negative thoughts. It's also where I keep a bunch of my amazing crystals. Where else? I feel like
Jam is stressed.
Can you tell that HellaJam is about to pop out this baby and I am exhausted?
Yeah.
You guys asked for an apartment tour and you guys are the most like loyal family ever, and I feel like I gotta do it now before this baby comes. So even though I'm tired, doing this for you guys.
Hella butter. You're looking at the night sky, babies.
We love having mirrors in our place because it just really opens up the space even more. We actually got this mirror how long ago? When we first moved in together, 4.5 years ago, from Home Goods. So if you're ever looking for like floor length mirrors, IKEA or Home Goods, or also Facebook Marketplace or Thrifted. Right next to it, I added this like huge plant that we got on sale. And then I also swooped this brass little bucket from my first estate sale. And then I thrifted this little stand because I'm really just trying to get Azul to not reach these plants, to be honest. I'm like stacking it like I'm stacking rocks. But yeah, I got this stand from Target for like 30 bucks. We have washer and dryer in unit here and a decent sized closet for our shoes and extra junk. I won't open it because we stuffed a bunch of our shit in here.
You can open the first door.
I don't want to open the first door.
Just open it.
Oh, new washer and dryer. If you guys do not have an Asian broom, go to your local Asian market. This thing is like the most efficient sweeper of all time. Isn't it, Steph?
Yeah.
Didn't I introduce this to you and you were surprised?
You did.
I'm helping you guys out right now. It makes cleaning fun. Got this table from Living Spaces, $3.50 for a dining table, which is pretty unheard of.
It has a leaf. It extends to 10 people.
And it has a leaf. I love how modern it is. And then we also thrifted all of these chairs. I like mixed match chairs, one because it's cheaper, and two, it just kind of adds a little bit more funk to your place. I thrifted these at that warehouse sale. Thrifted these 2 brass candles. These are also fun to have whenever you're having like a dinner party. It adds some like festive lighting.
Mood.
Here. Adds the mood. We're gonna go down the hall to our bathroom, nursery, master bedroom. Welcome to our bathroom. Got this from Urban Outfitters. I used to sing this to my parents, my mom. For real? For real? Like,
I didn't mean to, just so. Just go.
just
What does that say, Jamie?
filthy pussy.
Shut up.
Filthy pussy.
Shut up.
Filthy pussy, filthy pussy.
Shut up, get out of here.
Target. Ooh, if you ever really want to make your bathroom look nicer than it really is, just buy a bouquet of flowers and literally just like detach them from one another and place them, ta-da, right here. Kind of makes it look like a little cuter, right? Boom. Am I Joanna Gaines yet? Welcome to our bedroom. This is where all the magic happens. Very awkward. Ow, please stop kicking. Please stop kicking. Oh my god, what if my water broke on camera?
Dude, you said that yesterday, don't.
We kind of wanted to keep the room very, very simple. So we got this like Moses bassinet situation that's gonna be very helpful when the baby's born. From our friend Tim and Dip, they gave this to us. Got this plant from IKEA. Can't believe how much it's grown. It's flourishing beautifully. A little hack for you guys. If you ever want to like raise your plant and just make it like look a little bit more grand, definitely you can thrift a stool. And then I got these ceramic pots were from my dad. My friend bought it from Anthropology and wanted to get rid of it, so I got it from her. This little corner is my favorite. We actually got this from IKEA, but I think it definitely adds more of a modern vibe to a very like vintage looking apartment. We got this from Living Spaces. The best part is like, depending on our mood, we've got the hue lights, so you can definitely switch up the mood in the bedroom. Thrifted this mirror. I heard it's very good feng shui to make sure that there's a mirror right at the entrance of the doorway. I love how like 80s this is. It's like 80s tacky. I love it. This is the master bathroom. Frenchie picked this up for me from the Alameda Flea Market. A beautiful indigo tapestry slash blanket slash you can use it as a scarf. I collect sticks because I like to be crafty from time to time. And Stefano was like, can I please throw away these damn sticks? And luckily, for once, we're using the sticks today. What I love about this is that you're able to support the source and the fact that this is made in Africa rather than like, you know, made somewhere where people completely upsell it. You're giving back directly. If you guys don't have a squatty potty, it's a game changer. When I first got pregnant, I didn't know constipation was a thing. I'd never been constipated before, to be completely honest. And then you get pregnant and shit hits the fan. Literally. I mean, shit didn't hit anything. And that's why I got the squatty potty. It's amazing. My poops are like, whoop, killing it. Got this little woven hamper from Amazon. Thrifted this antique mirror. That's where I put all of my products, like Summer Fridays that I love so much. Welcome to our office slash spare bedroom. This is my little working station. Got this filing cabinet from CB2. I actually saved this ivy. It was our friend's and it was dying. There's probably like one little sprig of a plant. And now it's flourishing and doing so well. This is where the engineer goes into the matrix slash produces amazing deep house music. We decided to get a daybed specifically for our parents and our family members and our friends, so when they visit they have a place to sleep other than the couch and they can actually close the door. We got this daybed for a crazy good price at IKEA, and what's nice is there's two, so you can actually put them right next to each other nicely, and then it's even larger. We've got a nice snake plant here to help purify the air in here. Thrifted this at the warehouse sale right down the street. Lexi from Hot Sweet Home made this beautiful macrame piece for us, and it could not fit this room any better. And she's so incredibly talented. So Lexi, thank you so much. The biggest thing is we just wanted to kind of feel like a nice little sanctuary in here, but also a space where like when Stefano's playing video games and we have separation anxiety, I can just kind of fall asleep here instead of sleeping on the couch or in our bed. All right guys, that wraps up our apartment tour. I hope you enjoyed your stay with us. I have so much fun welcoming you guys into our home, and please let us know your favorite nooks and crannies and like areas in our apartment. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, go on ahead and click that subscribe button. I'd love for you to join the HellaJam family. Peace.